Okay, you ready?
Start over because I said the S word.
What you doing?
Reloading AR with the quickness.
With the quickness?
With the quickness.
Okay. I'm going to give you a countdown.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Boom.
Nice. That was like 3 seconds or less.
No way, less.
It was actually 2 seconds.
Was it really? I beat 2.3?
I can't tell.
Whatever.
It only shows seconds, not milliseconds.
We'll time it with your phone as
Okay.
we watch on video.
Okay.
Do it again.
3, 2, 1, go. That was under 2 seconds. That's awesome.
Boom.
Three, 2, 1.
I cheated.